I'm David Gilson, the Gilson of Grit Gilson Son. Grit Gilson Son is a detailing business, primarily doing upmarket car detailing. My son Richard is the detailer at this detailing business out in the east of Pretoria.
My name is Richard. I'm the operational manager here of Grit Gilson Son. I'm the son. So the difference between a panel beater and a car detailer is a panel beater will physically repair something. They will remove something, put something back, put on a new layer of paint. If the scratch is too deep and it actually needs new paint. Whereas we do what we call paint correction. So paint correction is where we take off a very fine microscopic level of paint to sort of remove the scratches, to sort of flatten out the paintwork. Basically, we've got tube lights over here. The tube lights are going to show you your texture of your paint. The texture of the paint will dictate where we need to remove orange peel, overspray if there are dust nips or anything like that. Further along, we've got our spotlights. The spotlights actually help us see the scratches. So what we've basically done here is just to give you guys an idea. We've done an enhancement. So when we do an enhancement, we're looking at about 70% correction. So this is the untouched part of the vehicle. You can see there's still a lot of issues with this. And from this line, we've cleaned it up. If you look closely, you'll see there are a few little things. The one thing that you have to keep in mind when it comes to detailing, this is fiberglass. When we talk about 70 to 80 to 90%, what we're actually referring to is the type of scratches that we are removing. So you get light imperfections that you can get out 50% very, very, very easy. When we talk about 70% correction, that's where we get most of the swirl marks out. Now, the swirl marks is what happens when people wash a vehicle. They're using circular motions instead of linear motion. Right now, we'll be going to our final bay. So this is a good client's car of mine. It came in for a maintenance wash today. We did this a few months ago. So what we did was, we did a full correction. And when I say full correction on this guy, we went crazy. We got it to about 98, 99%. From there on, we put a film on it. We put a full wrap, so everything is protected all the way down, all the way up to the pianos. Everything has got film on it now. Further than that, we did interior coating. So we did the textiles, we did the dash, we did the leathers. Those are just for spills. That's all from me. I hope you guys learned a lot. Pop in any time, and maybe you fancy a detail from Grit. Thank you.